Hello everyone, today let's talk about supply chain management software. The first step in improving your supply chain operations is to install a supply chain management software. Supply chain management software helps with a range of tasks, from production and demand planning to inventory forecasting and transportation management. Here are the unique features of supply chain management software. Bring data from several departments into a centralized location for faster decisions. Automate repetitive tasks, standardize procedures and get rid of inconsistencies. Access real-time data over the internet and save upfront hardware costs and licensing fees. Get a holistic view of your organization with interactive charts and reports. Actively monitor new regulatory requirements and prevent potential lawsuits and penalties. Facilitate project planning and manage multiple projects on the go. The supply chain management software offers the following advantages. Enable real-time inventory tracking and automatically create purchase orders. Gain easy access to information from procurement to the point of delivery. Quickly adapt to demand fluctuations with the help of forecasting and analytics tools. Track movement of goods from your warehouse to client's delivery location. Stay compliant with regulatory requirements across multiple jurisdictions your business is operating in. Build relationship and collaborate effortlessly with suppliers with precise data on their performance. The following are the main types of supply chain management software. Maintain adequate stock levels by automating inventory planning and forecasting with this tool. This software allows you to meticulously track product quantity, storage location and movement of goods in and out of the warehouse. Expedite the transportation process by choosing the best shipping mode and cost-effective routes using this system. Purchase efficiently using procurement management with precise data on suppliers and their performance, and automate purchase order generation. This software analyzes sales patterns to accurately forecast demand and plan your production. An all-inclusive tool for data consolidation to get a unified view of business operations. Supply chain management software is used across multiple industries to get transparency and improve efficiency in supply chain. Sage X3 is a best-in-class software that provides real-time visibility into supply chain and helps collaborate with partners. This scalable and advanced business solution gives you end-to-end control over increasingly complex supply chains. Connect with us now.